Hey, it's Dr. Gregg with Align Wellness Center here in Northbrook, Illinois, and I wanted to share with you an amazing statistic. Over 50% of people at some point in their life will wind up experiencing vertigo. Now, if you don't know what vertigo is, it's an experience of dizziness where you feel as though the room is shifting around you. It's typically triggered by your position or how you're lying down, or going from lying down to sitting up, or going from lying down to your side. And it's unknown particularly what the cause is. There are some theories, and we've got some success with managing those theories. But I've got to tell you, there are some really natural ways that you can wind up managing your vertigo. Here at Align Wellness Center, we've found one technique that's really been outstanding for a lot of our patients. That's chiropractic. Managing and balancing the tension of the spinal cord on that nervous system really allows for it to free up the nerves that are irritated when you experience that spinning. It allows for you to move better, getting up and down from lying down a lot easier, and helps you to wind up living the life that you want. The other thing is that most of the time this winds up affecting women. So if a woman that you know, or you're that woman in your life that has vertigo, let's see if there's a natural, conservative way to wind up managing it, finding the cause of the problem rather than chasing all the symptoms. Once again, I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin with Align Wellness Center, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.